Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you how to turn off and on dark mode on a paper uh, in Microsoft Word. So let's get straight into it. So you first of all you will need to open up your Word, Microsoft Word, and after that you will go here to View, and over here in dark mode area you will see switch modes. This thing, as you can see, do exactly what we want. So you change a color of your paper. So this will show you, this will help you with easier writing if you are doing something in your Word document. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.